So here you can see that I have a bunch of objects. I got this arrow right here, I got this cloud, I got this tube, and what you can see right here is that they are arranged out in a certain way. The arrow right here is on the top, and then it's after that is the cloud, and then is this tube subscribe square right there. So what I want to do is arrange this out, and to arrange that out, you simply go on to images right here, and then you go on to arrange. So what you can do is you can see that tube is here. I want it to bring it to frontmost area. Then I can simply click on bring to front. Now this thing is at the front, as you can see right there. I can also go over here just like this, and you can see that there's arrange, align, and other option right here. So let me just go over here, select this one right here. So what I can do is I can go to image, and then I can go to arrange, and I can send it backward or bring it forward. So if I were to send it backward, you can see that it actually goes back right over here. Arrange, you cannot send it more back than the screenshot itself, but you can bring it front right here, just like this, and it comes to front. Over here, you can see that there's, okay, I'm going to send it to backward, so it goes backward right here, and I can go to image, send it backward right over here. But if I were to go to image and bring it forward, instead of bringing it just to front, then what happens, it only comes one step forward, as you can see right there. Similarly, I can go over here, send to back goes to the backmost area right here, just like that, but send backward only goes one step, just like that. You can also right click alternatively and then go to arrange, and then you can see the same option. You can bring to front or bring forward, just like this, as you can see. So over here, these are the arrangement option right here to bring it backward or forward according to what you like. Another one is flipping right here. So you can flip this vertically, just like this. And another option is, again, you can flip it vertically and horizontally as well, just like that. I'm just going to rotate this around right over here. So you want to mirror it out, you can simply go around here, flip it horizontally right here, and it mirrors it out, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and then flip it again. If I were to right click, you don't see any align options right here. But if I were to select 3 objects, I'm just going to hold shift right here, select 3 of these objects. And now if you were to go to arrange and align, you'll be able to see that I can align it to the left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. So let's do top right here. So all of the objects right here goes on to the top. So it is not very clear if I have different objects, but let me just go around and show you with multiple objects right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and grab, let's say, this kind of an object, but let me just go to simple shape right here and bring in these. So I'm just going to go around, and yeah, I'm just going to copy and paste this around right here, just like this, and they are in different places, as you can see right here. But I can select all of these right here, and if I were to go and arrange align to top, what happens is that all of them gets aligned onto the top, as you can see. I can go right click over here, align to the bottom, it aligns to the bottommost shape right here, as you can see. I can go over here, arrange, align, and then middle, then it arranges it out onto the center section, just like this. Alternatively, I can align it onto the left and right as well. So if I were to go over here, right click, arrange, align left, it goes along to the left. Right click, arrange, and then align to the right, it goes along to the right handmost side. I can right click, arrange, and align it onto the center, then it arranges onto the center line, just like that. And that is how you can use the image arrange option to arrange out multiple shapes inside of Snagit editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.